thanks to our Easy Peak Power solar module. Transport, setup, and installation are kept simple and easy. For a stable setup, with the Easy Peak Power module, unfold the back wall and the base of the module. Please ensure a scratch-free surface to prevent damage to the front of the solar module. The back wall angle of the setup is adjustable in various degree steps.
Are you ready to power up your future? Join the EPP Solar franchise family and tap into the boundless potential of solar energy. With our established brand value and vast network of connections, EPP Solar stands out as the premier choice in solar franchise. Our 24 years of experience, 12,000 satisfied customers, and over 15 million euros in generated revenue speak for themselves. As an EPP Solar franchisee, we'll provide you with a personal team to set up your company just like ours, complete with our trusted brand value. Why start from scratch when you can leverage the success of EPP Solar? Invest in solar today and watch your profits skyrocket within a year. Join our mission to make the world solar powered and become a proud EPP Solar franchise partner. Together, we will make the world shine. Invest now in a sunny future and become our franchise partner. Visit our website or call us to get started on your EPP Solar franchise journey today.
Set the solar module towards the sun and connect one end of the integrated cable to the microinverter connection and the other end to the socket. The Easy Peak Power module comes standard with a normal Schuko plug. The Easy Peak Power module is very easy to install. Multiple Easy Peak Power modules can be connected with AC connection cables. The vision of Easy Peak Power Plug and Play is simple, efficient, and pioneering. EPP Energy Power GmbH develops new technologies for their customers to achieve a simpler and more affordable power supply in a booming future. Flexibility, cost effectiveness, and easy operation are our top priorities.
Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons to stay up to date on the latest and greatest developments in solar energy. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And while you're at it, be sure to check out our website linked in the description box for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.